Here we come to the elevators at the Biosciences and Technology building at University of Texas at San Antonio, Texas. Look at that fire alarm right there. I think that's a Wheelock either CH or E70 speaker strobe. The right one's going to be coming down. This one's got an interesting floor position indicator I don't see every day. That one just already left. Look at that floor position indicator. Never seen that before. And this COP is kind of unscrewed. There's traction. 4. We'll come back down here and get the other car. Oh, I almost pressed the alarm. Door close button does not work. Look at the ceiling. High. I have never seen a position indicator like that before. UTSA does have some pretty interesting elevators. Here we are at 4. These are just your standard impulse fixtures. All right, we'll go down to 1. Yeah, 1 is where I got on. Actually, I changed my mind. I'm not going to get the other car since I'm a little low on time and I have only just a few places to explore. But these are your impulse fixtures. All right, here we are at 1. Let's get off. Let's ring the bell. I like those lanterns too. I've never seen those on a ThyssenKrupp. Never seen a classic traditional lantern with a mix of impulse. There it goes, and that's it.